Kilala niyo ako. Whenever we get a new addition in our collection, excited tayong i-open. Paglaruan. Pero alam niyo mas exciting? Sa video na to, hindi natin i-open.
Mercedes.
This is the Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula 1 team. So makikita niyo dyan guys, may nakasulat na F1 or Formula 1. Formula 1 or F1 is the world's most prestigious auto racing sport, featuring the fastest open-wheel cars. And hindi lang siya pabilisan, labanan siya ng skills ng drivers, tactics, and how brilliant each machine is engineered. It is known all around the world, and of course, dito sa Philippines. This particular machine is used by George Russell and the young Italian rookie, Andrea Kimi Antonelli. So makikita nyo guys, it is a little bit different sa mga Hot Wheels na in-unbox natin. Kasi nakalagay siya sa case. Doon pa lang alam nyo na special siya kasi it has protection case. And it will just feel like a crime kung i-open natin siya. Bala ko na talagang buksan to. Gumawa pa ako ng ganito. Acrylic case siya, tapos kinostomize ko para magmukhang parang racetrack ng F1, tapos diyan ko siya ilalagay. Diba? Pero wala eh. Pagkakita ko sa malapitan, pagkahawa ko, I felt like it is really just destined to be in this card. To be displayed like this. Tingin nyo, tama lang ba yung decision ko to keep it sealed? Or dapat, binuksan natin siya? Let me know in the comments guys. Salamat sa panonood!